Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Magnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing Cowboy Like Me by Taylor Swift. We're not even using a cable because it's such an easy song. It's composed in open chords, and let's get right into it. So D minor is your first chord, and then so this is the verse. D minor, G, C, F. So D minor to G, C, and then F, alright? Now if you're not familiar with these chords, you can check out my chord video. There's a detailed illustration on the chords. You can learn them there and then come back to this video for your progressions. Okay, and then so F, C, 4 times, right? Before you get into the chorus. Okay, so let's do the A minor to F, G to C, okay? That's for your chorus, okay? The second chorus, that is. Okay, so for that guitar solo, we're back to D minor, G, C, A minor, D minor, C, A minor, and that's it for your solo. Let's hear the second. This is the third chorus, right? A minor, F, G, C, you're a cowboy like me. So that's just A minor, F, G, C, okay? That's A minor. Okay, makes sense. Now we're on the bridge and the chords kind of change here, so let's pay attention. A minor, E minor, G. Okay, so A minor, E minor, G, D minor, okay? Okay, so now you hang. We go to D minor, G. D minor, G, C, A minor. C, F, right? Not A minor, F. That is the whole song, guys, because the rest of the song has the same chords. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. And let me know in the comment section below any other new songs that you need me to check out for y'all. Otherwise, if you're not familiar with the chords that we were using, yeah, you can check out my chord video. It will teach you how to hold the chords before you can play the song. So yeah, that's been it. Peace out.